guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video, as you see by the title, I have some little personal stuff from Dollar Tree. So first, please don't forget to like, please leave some comments if you shop at Dollar Tree too, and subscribe, please. Okay, so the first item is we have deodorant. They have this and they have Suave. Yeah, so I always buy either this or the other one, don't matter to me, but this one kind of feel fuller than the other one, but they both smell good. So yeah, other item is this is hair mayonnaise. It's like hair treatment for your hair when you wash it. And did I try this one before? I don't think I did. I had the bottles though. Oh. It smells so good. It smells so good. It's olive oil. As you see, it says olive oil on there. So it says strengthens damaged hair. So I think I tried this already. Yeah, I think I tried this already. Y'all see? It's mad windy outside. Okay. Third, some wipes, charcoal wipes. As soon as I finish this video, I'm gonna wipe all this makeup off my face with this. As cleansing cloth, it's like 30 in there. You know, Dollar Tree is a spot. I be telling y'all, I be sleeping on Dollar Tree. And this is something new. When I saw this there, I'm like, let me try this. Wait, yeah. I'm like, let me try this because it says charcoal facial cleanser. Draws out dirt and oil compared to Biore charcoal cleanser. So good for oily skin, and that's my skin. My skin, I have oily skin. Oh, y'all see it? It smells so good. Wow. This, see, every Dollar Tree don't have it. I don't have this because mine don't have this. I love how it smells though, for real. The charcoal ingredient in this cleanser is known for its ability to draw out dirt and oil to help deep clean your pores for a fresh feeling face. I'm gonna try this tomorrow. I'm gonna try it tomorrow. It smells good though. Oh, oats. This is 5 gram protein, 4 gram fiber, vegan. It's vegan. 100% whole grain, non-GMO, no sugar added. So this bag, look at this. It's a good amount in there. It's a good amount in there. Yep. The next item is, I saw this lotion and I'm like, it's an aromatherapy. It smells so freaking good. Refreshing mint, eucalyptus. I don't know if I said that very right. Wait, I like how it smells. The bottle's cute. That's another reason why I wanted to get it. Because the bottle's cute. Oh, now this is a gel mask. Yeah. Oh yeah, gel mask. Gel face mask with mask applicator. It's gold, so it's gold. I want to open it. Let's see. Oh, the applicator is this white thing. So it's the applicator. Put it back. I'll wash it off before I use it. And oh, it's like a fancy little bottle. I have a weird smell. you go. Y'all can see it. There you go. Yeah. Has a little weird smell, but I want to try this. I'm gonna try it. This is aloe vera gel. My aloe vera gel over there is almost finished. I use it on my face, but I'm like, let me buy this because it's almost finished. And I got this from the beauty supply store, and this is for, dang, how much it was? I think it was like $5.99 or something, or $4.99, something like that. But yeah, this is for like for sunburn, skin irritation, dry, rough, and sunburned skin, minor burns, whatever. Apply to body and face. So yeah, we'll need this for the summertime or whenever. I use it on my face all year round. So I saw this just because it says aloe vera on there. I wanted to try it. It's a body lotion. Let me see how it smells. Smell like aloe vera. So I'm trying to get these spots off my face. This is a bonnet. You can never have enough of these. I actually have a big one, and I went to this but the other day. This big one that I've been have for like probably like 2 years now. And the other rest is dirty. I just bought one the other day, so you can never have enough of these. So it's a hair bonnet for $1. And oh, this charcoal soap and a sponge in one. I think I'm gonna open it, see how it is. Okay, this is a sponge. The sponge is at the back, and this is the soap. Now see, soap, sponge. That's cute. Let's smell it. Strong. Oh my god. Infused with charcoal for deep exfoliation and skin detox. This is cute. I like this soap. I'm gonna try this. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this with this. Like after I use this, I'm gonna try this and see. Maybe that's too much. We'll see. I'll figure it out when that day comes. I like this. This is cute. Right, what else I have in here? Okay, this helps me go to sleep when I can't sleep. This, it just, you put it in your mouth and it just dissolves. Like, this is the best for if you can't sleep. It helps me. I don't know about nobody else, but it's 8 and it's chewable. Falls asleep faster, awake without grogginess. It works. I'm not even lying. I use this a few times already. It works. So, and I checked the price on Amazon. Like, I bought it like 4 times already. When I checked the price on Amazon, I was like, are you kidding me? The same amount. Now see the price? $6.99. It's the same thing. Look at it. 8. $6.99 on Amazon. Why is this $6.99 on Amazon? We could go to Dollar Tree and get it for $1. Like, it's the same thing. Why is it $6 more? Alright, the next one is coconut oil. I'm like, let me see. Why is it not showing up? The light is mad bright. Here they go. It's, y'all know how coconut oil smells. So this is for your hair. Use ear oil. So, and I also had, well, I bought this the other day. I didn't buy this today, but it's like a facial mist. They have this in this is watermelon. They have this in, I have this too, the same brand, and this is aloe and cucumber. You see it? So it's almost finished though. Okay, this I got from Five Below, but I saw this in the Dollar Tree today, the same exact one, and they had the charcoal one too. But this is a cucumber, Freeman cucumber face mask, peel off. Yeah. So the next one is this, you know, bathroom soap, lemon flavor, and I think that's it. I think that's all I have. This is my little Dollar Tree haul. Like I said, Dollar Tree, they having stuff. I go there and I shop for my stuff, whether it's food or for the feminine products or whatever I need. I go there. That's my store. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next